friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspired Planner, and today is Friendship Friday. So we are going to make 2 cards using the Tula XII Seashore DIY card kit. Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to Friendship Friday. If you are new to my channel, on Fridays, I come and do 2 cards, one that I send to a friend, one that I do as a drawing. So make sure you comment hashtag Friendship Friday to be entered into our drawing on Monday. But let's take a look at this brand new Seashore card kit. This is by Tula XII. It comes with everything that you need to make 9 cards. And this paper is absolutely gorgeous. So you get 9 envelopes. You get 9 card bases folded and all ready to go in white. You get 9 double-sided papers that are cut and ready to go. And these colors and patterns are stunning. So you get 3 of each. I'm just gonna flip those over so you can see the opposite side. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, so beachy, like seashore coastal vibes. I love them. We also get a sentiment sticker sheet that has some sentiments on white stickers. Love that. And some envelope seals that you can use as well. And then you also get a little bag of goodies. I'm gonna open this real quick. And I'll dump this out here. So we get what I like to call bows, buttons, and bling. It's a mouthful. So we have 3 orange, like rustic color buttons rather. 3 blue bows over here. And then of course our bling. And you get 9 die cuts that you can use with the cards also. So the first set of die cuts is the oars. Super, super pretty. So we have the oars. Then we have these little rustic beach signs. I love these. They look like they're in like the whitewashed wood. And then 3 message in a bottle die cuts. So that's everything that comes in the kit. Let's go ahead and get started and make our 2 cards today. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab our 2 card stock. I'm going to put these over to the side. Let's see what we are going to use. I love this one and this one. So we're going to use these 2 papers first. Let me go ahead and just move those out of the way. All right, now I like to do a little bit of ripping and mixing and matching. So I love this paper so much, but I feel like what I want to do with it is do like a 3 panel on it. So I'm just going to rip 3 different ways here. And then I'm going to decide which way I want them to be. And I think I want them to go like this, but I also feel like I need a little bit of space in between. So I'm going to go ahead and just rip a tiny bit more off of this top one, just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and adhere them to the base. Now, I like to do the 2 ends first and then put my middle section in last. Some people like to do middle section first. It's really a matter of whatever you like best. So I never measure, hardly ever measure. I just kind of eyeball everything. So I'm going to keep doing that. This kit is brand new today. It's for our Perks Club members. So if you are interested, all of the links will be below in the comments. But this kit is just so nice. Now, this is the DIY kit. We also have our Create, Organize, and Plan kit that launched today that is also by the Seashore. Bigger papers, the 8.5 by 11, the die cuts, the buttons, and all of the things that go with that. So that is going to be available also. There is one of our card bases. And then I think I want to use... I want to use the message in the bottle on this one because I just think that it's going to be really, really fun to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of adhesive on here. I'm going to cover up just a little bit of that white space there. But I am going to put some bling on here. So I'm going to do 3 of these. I'm going to put 1 right there. Gonna put 1 up top here, And then I'm going to put the other one right over here. So this is card number 1. Oh, I love these papers. I think I'm going to need another one of these. All right, so next card really quickly. This one is beautiful. I love the waterfalls and the swells on that. And then of course our stripes are very, very pretty also. But on this one, I think what I am going to do is, ooh, this one's tough. Do I want to leave it just like that and put like a sign here? Or I could do the oars and put a sentiment on there. I think I might just leave that like that because I really love that paper. All right, I love this paper so much that I decided I'm gonna leave it just like that, and I am gonna put a sentiment on here. I'm gonna do hello friend. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this right here because that pops really nicely with that navy blue. And then we're gonna use the oars or the paddles, whatever you like to call them. And I am gonna put that like that. How sweet is that? That is so pretty. I love that. I love it. All right, now I like to use my envelope seals on the inside of the cards. I like to put them in the corner right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put those right there as well. And that will be our Friendship Friday Easy Peasy cards. There we go. So don't forget to comment hashtag Friendship Friday. If you're interested in learning more about our By the Seashore collection, make sure you check the description because I'll have all the links in there. Thank you all so much for watching. If you find this inspirational, I hope that you like and subscribe. And if you know somebody else that would like to see these, go ahead and share it out. Thank you all so much. Have a fantastic weekend.